Hi guys, and today I will show you how to fly and build a boat for treasure. First you need to get the legendary chest. Now place 3 metal blocks on top of each other. Place a hinge facing out on the top block. Stand on it exactly how I do. Place a glue block in the end of the hinge. Now delete the 2 bottom blocks. Press launch and then jump 2 times. Now you're done.